Hello and welcome to my first video on redstone. I know I make a lot of videos, but never Minecraft videos. This is a machine utilizing the new crafting block that's about to come out in Minecraft. I know a lot of people are going to want to make machines, and I watched a lot of videos, and I didn't like a machine that I didn't see a machine that I liked. This is parts and pieces of different things that I've seen over the years, and I think this is going to be nice and clean and stable. So far in testing, it's been very stable. Completely programmable. You can craft anything you want, and then 5 minutes later reconfigure it to craft anything else. This is actually 5 machines. Four machines, and it does a great job. You just push a button, and what you want comes out. And I know a lot of people like this. It's the fact that it's tileable, I think, is the most appealing. It's technically 1 by 5. I'm not counting from the lights right, because that's the trigger, and people use any kind of trigger that works for them. I like I'm playing in creative, I'm using all the new blocks, so it's compact. You can make this as big or small as you want, so if you're crafting something that doesn't need 9 items, it doesn't have to be this tall, but this is like the max size. I think it's clean. I like my redstone to be as small as possible, and I don't really like to use a lot of dust. This uses 1 dust per blade, for lack of a better term. And these are configured just to make a few different things of different sizes to show you. You push the button, it shoots out. It's not rocket science here. But when I started making this, it was very large and awkward and ugly, and I think this is a beautiful little machine here. I didn't plan on using one, but now that I went through all the trouble of making it, I probably will have it at all times. I have a place I call Red Studios, where I teach redstone and help people with projects, and I'm going to set this machine up just to make all the redstone things that you would want, dispensers and hoppers and whatever you'll need at the time. Something you just hit a button and it comes out, and you can start showing people how to do stuff. It's very, very fun to work with, because you can change the configuration in a few minutes, and you can also, I have a module that you bolt to the side so that it makes bows and fills the 5th dispenser when you're making dispensers, right? When you fill the 5th crafter. So it automatically puts, so now you can, in essence, you're stacking your bows, and you're just having an endless supply of bows right there being made as you need them, and it doesn't really kill the time in any way. It just, the first time you make it, it won't dispense, but if you have the dispenser, the dropper full, it will just replace whatever, as it actually crafts, it will replace the bow in that dropper, and that's good. It just has to be primed, in essence. But once it's going, it's going. It's a great little machine, and again, I plan on making 1 blade, sticking it in my base, and doing nothing, and never, ever, ever making a dispenser again by hand. But the more I play with it, the more I like it, and I guess I'm a little proud of it, because it's an original idea, and I've never actually put one of my original ideas out there. So here we are.